Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Have you heard about the exclusive new audio-based social media app Clubhouse? Want to join the club and get in on the fun? In this video I'll be showing you how to register for Clubhouse. Now let's get started. Clubhouse is currently in a beta invite-only stage and is currently only operating on iOS devices. Hopefully soon the app will be fully up and anyone can sign up from any device. Download Clubhouse for free from the iOS App Store. To register for Clubhouse, open the app and tap Get Your Username. Enter your phone number. Then tap Next. Clubhouse will send you a text message with a 4-digit code. Enter the code you've received. Now type in your first and last name. Tap Next. Type in what you'd like your Clubhouse username. Then tap Next. After that your username will be reserved. Now you'll need to wait until either Clubhouse sends you a text message to let you know your account is ready to be used, or someone you know who is already on Clubhouse sends you an invitation to allow you to access the app. Waiting for Clubhouse to provide access can take some time. So if you know of any of your friends who are already using Clubhouse, reach out to them and ask for an invite to speed up the process. Unfortunately, there's currently no other way to gain access to the Clubhouse platform besides waiting your turn or getting an invite from an existing user. That's all it takes to register for a Clubhouse username. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.